Okay guys, we're working on the 1972 Opel GT again, taking it all the way apart. And I got some off well, I didn't put this on here. We got the radiator out, and we got the valve cover off. Found a nice mouse nest in there. Oh, and we got the rubber carburetor off too. So, and then the headlight buckets are an absolute mess. This one won't turn over because it's stuck. It's literally stuck in there. As you guys see, the headlight's literally stuck in there. So that's fun. And then this one, found a mouse nest. Trying to save the wiring for my other GT.
There we go.
Oops. And then we saved one headlight.
I got this one.
Got a radiator that's been fixed before. Right there, as you guys can tell. And we got a valve cover. And there's a rubber carburetor. It turns, but the secondary doesn't want to open. So, yeah, so there's that so far. And then, we've just been slowly taking it apart. Salvaging stuff. Found this stuff all in the interior, just trash. And the seats it's rusted through, as you guys can tell. Gray, what do you think about it so far? Rusty. Yeah, it's definitely a project. But we got the water pump freed up somehow. I don't know how, but that's like the one amazing thing so far that we've done. Yeah, so we're just trying to take the cylinder head off right now. And we got these Torx tools from Grandpa. Did you get these from like Harbor Freight?
I don't know where I got those.
Or something like that. Yeah, they're metric, so it should work just fine. Oops. I think you can get them from Opel GT Source too, I think. But, so we're just gonna work on this thing and I'll show you guys what we do next. Okay guys, so we got all the exhaust bolts out, which is actually really easy. Like they came out really nice, which is really crazy. And then we got the fan off. I don't know if I showed you guys that or not. We got this thing off, the timing chain. And we got all the cylinder head bolts off, we think. These ones are kind of weird over here, so they're like rubbing against something, so it's loose. We got it loose, so we're hopefully going to take it out here pretty soon. And Grandpa's working on the headlight, trying to get all the stuff out of it. Are you trying to get the wiring out of it? Is that what you're doing? Yeah, trying to get all the wiring. See if we can save any of that for my other GT maybe, which would be pretty awesome. And yeah, these Torx bolts are amazing, guys. You guys should definitely get some of those, say, for the cylinder. And I guess I'll hopefully show you guys if we get the cylinder off or whatnot. Okay guys, we're taking it out. This is how we did it. We got a piece of pretty good sized wire on the, I call it the engine puller. And we just took it out. It's pretty simple. You don't actually, we were thinking about cutting this chain, but you don't have to, guys, so don't worry about that. It'll come out. But you just have to take out this little plastic nub thing right here. That's this thing. So yeah, I guess I'll show you guys once we get it out. Okay guys, so here's what it looks like so far. We got a mouse nest and the timing chain. We got gunk in here. Cylinder looks really bad. The other two look pretty nice. This one, I'm guessing those looks decent. But yeah, it's definitely stuck. We think. We haven't tried to turn it over, but oh, definitely stuck. Oh, we haven't really tried to turn it over though with the head off. Yeah.
That wouldn't make any difference, I don't think.
You don't think so? Well, plus how rusty that cylinder is. Huh. Yeah. Oh, here's the part number for this. Huh. Interesting. Interesting. I wonder how bad the starter, since it's this car's probably over 100,000 miles on it.
You can get the oil pan off the bottom of these from the. They'll take an engine out.
I don't know. Can or not. Okay, I'm gonna turn you guys off for now. Okay, guys. Well, turns out the oil pan is actually already loose. So that's nice. Here, I need to resituate the rug. Ugh. Oh, come on. Yeah, we didn't know it was loose. We didn't even think about looking at it because we knew the engine was most likely junk when we bought it. But we didn't know the oil pan was loose. See? You guys can see it moving around in there. We almost need to jack up the car. Well, no, just the car to see if I can see anything. Oh yeah, I can see something up in there. I can't get my arm underneath here. Yeah, that's pretty. Move it. Can you move it? that a rod I see? Oh, that's rusty up in there.
First off, it's impossible for 3 pistons to be the same height and one be higher than the rest.
It is?
Impossible.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, that's fun.
3 pistons has to be the same height and the other has to be the same height.
You think a rod died then?
That's what they said when we bought it. Yeah, threw it around.
Oh.
Right.
Like, what happened here? What do you think happened then?
I don't know which one it is, but
They are all the same height.
well, 3 of them.
Yeah.
That can't be. Physically impossible.
So what do you think? One just cracked? Or one just broke right through? Or
Broke clear off, yeah.
would it be that one in the back, you think?
I would think that would be my first guess.
But if we tap on it, we can tell if it's loose or not. You know? Yeah, I could kind of see the crankshaft is. I could only see the crank because it looked pretty rusty. So I think the rest of the crankshaft's junk then too, or what? What do you think?
Probably, but I don't know. Usually when they throw a rod, they tear things up.
Yeah. Huh. You can't really see anything inside the block though, you know? What's this right here?
Well.
Yeah, the exhaust is in that way. You may get the light?
Yeah, hand me the light.
Okay. Where's that? Okay. This is definitely interesting. There we go.
You know, I'm sending you down here.
Okay. Yeah, that's where there was to replace mine on my car. I mean, that looks pretty rusty in there.
Yeah, it's normal.
Normal? Okay.
Huh. Okay.
You don't see anything suspicious over there?
No.
Huh. Weird.
How do you lift the car up over the engine? You gotta take that bar off there, the engine mount bar, right? Drop
Yeah.
it down? Yeah.
I think we actually just dropped the engine. Some of the guys, what they do is they hook up a cherry picker to the car and just lift the car up.
Yeah.
So yeah, what do? We take this bar out. We take the whole bar out and it undo the transmission. Wait, so how do you check transmission fluid? I didn't even. Is there a way to check that on here?
Well, we couldn't find the dipstick.
Well, for transmission, I'm saying.
Oh,
Fluid.
well, that's over here. On their stick shift?
Yeah.
That's underneath there, probably a plug in the side of the transmission.
Plug inside the transmission. Huh. Huh. Huh, that's too bad. Man. I'm looking at here at the transmission. Might as well do that all underneath here. Make sure that's still good. Make sure that cover's not off. There's all these brakes still turning. Look at that. It's just crazy, guys. They're warped a little bit, but they were turned. Yeah, I'm gonna take the light. Steal the light. Oh. So, Grandpa, have you ever had a car blow a rod or anything?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Several times.
Several times?
I threw a rod in my 46 Dodge truck outside of New Haven. I was coming back from Detroit.
Yeah?
And that truck had a high axle in it, so the engine was running up pretty high on the...
Yeah.
They fixed that road so you could run 60 on part of it.
Uh-huh.
65. That was pretty much wide open on that truck. And I was driving back from Detroit, and I was outside New Haven, it started making noise, and I did probably quit. I don't know how I got home.
Was the engine junk then?
I must have had, yeah, threw a rod, but... And then 53 Olds.
Oh, the V8, the
V8 Olds.
Yeah.
Delta 88, it was a nice car. I mean, it was 4-speed transmission.
yeah,
It was a
automatic.
fast car, yeah. And it was a fast car for its day. But that thing would, the transmission was bad in it.
Okay.
So if you took off slow, it would go in, then go into second gear and stop. So Bob and I learned, well, if you like, it's like the Focus. We took off really hard and rev her up to where it would jump to third gear right away when you let off the gas. So pretty hard and let off the gas and jump to third gear. Now we're good to go. They're anything in third gear, you know, all the time. They were getting up pretty high in third gear.
Yeah. That's hilarious. Wow. That's crazy. But did you ever fix any of them or no? No, you didn't try to. No. There's junk cars. Yeah. Well, it's like, yeah. Well, it's like this one. I could find a. I mean, there's an engine on eBay right now for $100. It has a cylinder head, but it's pretty bad. There's no valve cover on it. It's been sitting. There's one guy trying to sell one on Marketplace, something like that, for $250. It's 4-speed and engine. But oh my gosh, it's been sitting outside, and those lifters and stuff are horrible. $250 so far. It's like, jeez. But
well, that one the guy said here he run a while back might be a good engine, but you never know. You know.
wait, which one?
That one for $500.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah.
That probably wasn't that bad a car.
Yeah, probably not.
But it probably wasn't a lot better than the other one over there.
Yeah, I'd say it's worse. Well, it has a bunch of dents on the driver's side.
Well, yeah, but when you start poking on it, you find more rust. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Yep. Let's look at this. The 4-speed looks good. Nothing looks loose over here. Stuff's moving down here. Bell housing looks good. Yeah, it's just too bad that's loose underneath here. Man. That's why there's no dipstick, Grandpa. Yeah, that's why we never found a dipstick for it. Let's see if this drive shaft's any good or not. So how do I tell if this drive shaft shot? I just wiggle it back and forth, see if you're even playing it.
Yeah.
Just wiggle it back and forth?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do that. No. Okay, come on with me. Oh no, it's so weak. Oh my gosh. Why is this? Oh. Does it matter if I'm in neutral or not?
No.
Well, that's quite a bit of play.
You want to put it in gear for you?
Yeah, I don't know if it's in gear already or not. I don't know if here, I better get up. I don't want to get smashed. Yeah, this floor is really bad. You can see right here, Grandpa. You can see like literally like caving in. I don't know if it's in gear or not. I know first and second gear goes in gear really good. I'm actually like really surprised. There, it's definitely in gear now. Are you trying to get that open? Oh yeah, so you can save it or not.
Junk.
Yeah, we might say that light. Might be good for another one or so. Barely any play, Grandpa.
Good.
So I think we're good to drive shaft. We should be able to reuse that then. Another GT. Come on, I'm gonna turn you guys off.